Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. This is your Brahmanan sir. Today I deal with my chapter that is continue part of my lesson, that is rational numbers. This is the part 5th video. In this video I will explain you about associative property. What is that? Associative property. What's meant by associative property? Yes, associative property is nothing but a add. You can add, multiply, subtract, or divide. Is it? You can add, multiply, subtract, or divide. But you don't worry where you will put the its parenthesis. What is meant by parenthesis? That is bracket. See here, I will give an example. That is A, B, C. Why is there 3 digits of number? You can take. Okay. For associative property, we have to take 3 or more than 3. Is it? For your syllabus, only 3 digits are there. Okay. Is it? Here also A, B, C. What is associative? Just I am explaining you in simpler form. You can add, subtract, or whatever it may be. You can add any, you can apply any operations here. That is, first I will take addition. This is the first operation. Okay. Don't worry that where you will put the bracket or a parenthesis. For example, here I will put for bracket for A plus B. Okay. Then I will put here for B plus C. Whatever it may be. Sir, only addition is there. Then take another example, that is multiplication. Is equal to A into B into C. Okay. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದೆ. then again I will check here. Then the answer should be same. Then the results of these two must be same. That I mean A into B into C, that must be equal. That is, for example, ABC. This is the ABC, and this is also A into B into C. This is also ABC. That must be equal. Okay, this is called as associative property. Okay. So now we have to check that the associative property of whole numbers. Isn't it? Associative property of whole numbers. Do you know what are the whole numbers? Yes, sir. In previous video we know that the whole numbers are including 0. They include 0 as well as natural numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. Isn't it? Okay, 10. Mata single digit number, whatever it may be. These are the examples for whole numbers. Now we have to check that whether the whole numbers will associate under addition. Now we have to check that. That is, whole numbers will associate under addition. Not only addition, they have to be associated with the subtraction also. Whether we have to check whether they will associate or not associate. Okay. Let's check with first operation, that is addition. First operation, that is addition. I will take 3 digits of number. That is 3 digits of number A, B, C. First is addition. Okay. First operation they are checking, that is numbers are, that is whole numbers. They are the whole numbers. See here. This is the examples for whole numbers. See here. First operation is add. Then this must be equal for associative property. If the associative property obeyed, then we can say that whole numbers are associated under addition. Okay. Now check. Same as it is A, B, C. Okay. Which operation they have to substitute here? That is plus. New bracket ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I mean here only in these numbers. See, first I will add brackets here. Then it must be different. Then the answer should be same to obey the associative property. समझ में आया? Yes. I will take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 3. Substitute this A, B, C value. Pakka? Yes. A value is 8, then B value is 2, then C value is 3. Isn't it? A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3. This is only LHS side. Then we have to substitute these values where? Yes, RHS side. A is 1, B is 2, and C is Okay, then solve it. First, I will solve with the brackets. That is 1 plus 2 is 2. Isn't it? 1 plus 2 is 2. No, sir. What it is? It's concentrated is 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, you have to concentrate here. Nan madidella correct alla. You have to judge it. Isn't it? That is 1 plus 2 is 3. Then add the bracket. Plus is there? Plus 3 is there? 3. Pakka samajh mein aa gaya? Yes. Then move to here. It is 1 is here. Sir, first bracket ne kiddu tagondre according to BODMAS niyam. BODMAS rule. It is 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Samajh mein aa raha hai? Yes. Then I will remove this bracket. Then we will get same, that is plus 3 only. Then plus 3 plus 3. Okay. Then I will remove the bracket. That is easily simple. And 1 plus 5 is there. Simple form. Bracket ashte tagidi. Don't worry. 3 plus 3 is sir 6. And 5 plus 1 or 1 plus 5 is 6. Then we can say that 6 is equal to 6. Number be r rupees avre, on be r rupees. That means I mean LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. For which operation? For addition operation. For addition operation. For which numbers? For whole numbers. For whole numbers. Okay. Confuse agbadri, easy ada. Then we can say that a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, for whole numbers. For whole numbers. Also, we can say that whole numbers are associative under addition. In the standard form, that is whole numbers are associative under addition. Samajh mein gaya? Sir, proof. Sir, here is the proof. Here is the proof. Samajh mein raha? This is the solution. Then we can say whole numbers are associative under addition. Then I will write it here associative or sir simple jagger. That's why I will write yes. Samajh mein gaya? Yes. Next, we have to check for the operation, that is subtraction. Let's do it. For second operation, that is subtraction. Now I will take here a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 2. Sir, no, sir. Why, sir? You are taking only positive integers. For positive integers, why means we are checking for whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers are here. Sir, 0 tagon nodri. Tagon sir, whatever it will. Next example 0. Don't worry. Okay. Now see. Then a, b, c is there. It must be equal to a, b, c. For which operation? Minus operation. Minus. Sir, we have to put the brackets. It's parenthesis. Sir, you have to get. That should be different. That is a minus b is the bracket in bracket, and here b minus c is in the bracket. Substitute a value, b value, c where? That is the expression in this expression. Take a is equal to I z, b कितना है sir? T, c 2. Okay, a is 5, b is 3, and c is 2. Okay, then this is about LHS side. Then RHS side, sir, a is 5 minus b is 3 minus 2. Isn't it? Yeah. Then 5 minus 3. First I will solve this by bracket. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Sure pakka? 5 में 3 गए तो 2 आ गए. Then bracket से bracket. Minus is there? Yes. 2 as usual 2. Here let's see. 5 is there as usual. First I will solve the brackets numbers. That is 3 minus 2. What is the answer? 3 minus 2. Yes, that is 1. Which one? Plus 1 simply. That is plus 1. Now see carefully here. That is 2 minus 2 is there. Just I remove the brackets. Okay. Then here 5 minus 1. Yakri sir, just see here. Minus into plus. Sir, yavu sign illa sir. If no sign, then we have to consider that is positive. समझ में that is minus into plus. क्या होगा? Minus आ गया. Then we have to say that 5 minus 1. Whether this is correct? Sure? Yes. Now see the answer. 2 minus 2. What is the 2 minus 2? 0. That is 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is? Yes sir, that is 4 आ गया. Whether the 0 is equal to 4? Number A nilla, but on bali 4 rupees. Whether we both are equal? No sir. That is 0 is not equal to 4. Then the above equation, that is this one, A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C for this associative property for whole numbers. Then in standard language we can say that whole numbers are not associative under. Whole numbers are not associative under subtraction. We can say no. That is whole numbers are not associative under subtraction. No. Pakka. Then move to the third operation, that is multiplication. This is only for whole numbers. Okay. Now third operation is that is multiplication. See here A, B, C, three digit numbers for your syllabus. Okay. A, B, C. This is what? Associative property. For we have to substitute here, that is multiplication. Why sir? We are checking whether they are associative or not for multiplication. Which numbers? Whole numbers. Then I will put the brackets. Sir, ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದೆ. Sir, ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿನಲ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Now I will take brackets there. Okay? Then substitute this. Sir, values same level. Sir, ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. These are the values. Check. Substitute these values here. A is 5 and B is 3 and C is 2. 5 3 2. That is 5 3 2. That is 5 3 2. A B C. समझ में आया? Yes. Only this is about LHS side. What is this? Yes, same sir. A value is 5 and B value is 3 and C value is 2. Okay. Then we have to solve continue. 5 3s are 15. Sir, first type of bracket nande tagotiri. Sir, in 5th standard I calculate that is board mass load, isn't it? Yes. 5 3s are. Okay. Then I will write 5 here. 3 2s are 6. Sir, easy remove ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ bracket. Don't worry. Then 15 2s are 15 ones are 15. 15 2s are 30. 30 आ गया. Okay. Then 5 6 are sir simple sir will be 30. Then 30 is equal to 30. Simply we can say that plus 30 is equal to plus 30. And also we can say that this equation for whole numbers is also equal. Then we can say that in standard language that is whole numbers are associative under. Sorry, that is multiplication. Whole numbers are associative under multiplication. Pakka? We can say no? That is algebraic race. Then move to the fourth operation, that is division. Fourth operation, that is division. Okay, I will take A, B, C. I don't know whether they are equal or not. A, B, C. Which operation that is? Division. I will take sir ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ first ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Sir, listen. Sir, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ first one bracket ಒಳಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಬಾರಿ second one ಹಾಕಿ. Sir, ಇಲ್ಲಿ second one ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಿ. That means I mean B and C bracket ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Sir, one change sir, I will put brackets here. Wherever you can. Now, A value is 8, B value is 4, and C value is 2. Yaak tondiri sir, because these are the whole numbers. These are the whole numbers. Then substitute these values in this equation. A is 8 divided by B is 4 divided by C is 2. C is 2. I don't know whether these are equal or not. Okay, then A is 8 divided by B is 4 divided by 2. So something not completely easy. Okay, then as usual, according to Bohrmann's rule, that is first we have to remove the brackets. Then 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. Sir, कितना है? पक्का? That is 2 ones are 2 twos are. Then I will write directly that is 2. समझ में आ गया? That is 4 divided by 2. That is equal to 2. Sure? Yes, sir, sure. Then I don't know whether these are equal or not. Just checking that LHS and RHS. Then here 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is that here. I came here, that is RHS. 8 divided by 4. Here also 4 ones are 4 twos are. कितना गया आंसर? 2. I'll write 2 here, 2 here. Okay, then division by 2. Okay, 8 divided by 4 is 2. This is division and this is 2. Sure. Then here it is as well as. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now I have to solve more. That is 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Okay? Yes. That is the answer at LHS side is 4. Then what about RHS side? RHS side 2 divided by 2. Is it 2 divided by 2? What is the answer? 2 ones are 2 ones are. Then what is the answer? 1. Whether 4 is equal to 1. Whether 4 is equal to 1. You know that this that is not equal to 1. 4 is not equal to 1. Then we can say that this A divided by B divided by C is not equal for whole numbers. This equation is not equal for whole numbers. Then we can also say that whole numbers are not associative under division. Okay, whole numbers are not associative under division. I will write here. Okay, that is whole numbers are only associative under addition and multiplication. That is only S is here only. Okay, whole numbers are associative under only addition and multiplication. Pakka. Then now I will check the associative property of integers. What are the integers? Integers will include negative integers, positive integers, and positive numbers, and as well as 0. Which numbers for integers? What are the integers? They include 0 as well as negative, positive integers. What are the positive integers and negative numbers? Let's check. These are the examples for integers. Okay. Here number is integer. Type of number is integers. Now we have to check that whether the integers are associative under these operations or not. ಯಾವ operation ಒಳಗೆ associative properties are obeyed or not obeyed. That one we have to check. Okay, first operation is addition. Okay, that associative property we know for addition is a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, so brackets you have to take the brackets. Mera marzi, isn't it? Then a value is 2. Okay, b value is 0. Then c value is minus 1. Okay, let's take a is 2 plus b is 0 and c is minus 1. A is 2 and b is 0. Okay, and c is minus 1 because minus 1 is also an integer. We are checking that associative property of integers. I don't know whether these are equal or not. I will be going to check. It is a is 2 and b is 0 and c is minus 1. Okay, c. I will solve for first one, that is LHS. 2 is there plus 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 as usual, that is minus 1. 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Okay, that is equal to 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 same as it is, that is 2 only. Then here minus 1 is there. Minus 1. समझ में आ गया? That is different. LHS side separate इधर, then RHS side separate. Don't worry that इधर equal only करते रहना. Just we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Simple. We have to prove. Then now see here, 2 is there, 2. Then plus into minus. Plus is here and bracket is into and minus is here. Plus into minus. So minus. Pakka. Okay. Then 1 is there 1. See here. 2 minus 1. That is directly answer. 2 में 1 गए तो 1 बच गए. Here also sir, 2 में 1 गए तो 1 बच गए. Then 1 is equal to 1. Sure sir, 1 is equal to 1. Then we can say that a plus b plus c is also equal for integers. A plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c for integers, and also we can say that integers are associative under addition. Pakkari helbodri, that is integers are associative under addition. Yes. Then check with subtraction. Now we have to check for second operation, that is subtraction. Okay, then directly I will write a minus b minus c. I don't know whether they are equal. A minus b minus c. I will take brackets here. First one I will take here brackets. Okay, substitute the values. A is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 2. Yes, sir, because 3 is also a rational, sorry, integer, and minus 5 is also integer, and 2 is also integer. Substitute these values here. 3 minus is there, carefully listen here. 3, a is 3, and b is minus 5. Before that, here 1 minus is there. Okay, then I will take b and in bracket, small bracket. Okay. Bracket, small bracket. I will close this. Okay. Sir, a is 3 and minus is there and b value is minus 5. अब समझ में आ गया बात? Yes. Then c is 2. Sir, minus है in the question. Only for LHS side. Okay. I am solving. That is LHS side as well as RHS side. Then come to RHS side. That is a value is 3, minus is there. Sorry, there are no brackets. No bracket, that is b value is minus 5 and c value is minus 2. Listen carefully. A is 3 and b is minus 5 and c is 2, only plus 2. Okay, minus is there here. Then is equal to a is 3 and minus is there and b is minus 5 and c is minus 2. Then we have to solve. That is first 3 minus into minus directly. Sure, minus into minus plus, then plus 5. I'll write plus 5 minus 2. Just I have multiplied here only signs. That is minus into minus, that is plus. 3 as well as here is there and 5 is here is there. Okay, then come to RHS side. 3 is as well as here and minus into minus, that is also plus. Minus into minus plus sir. Don't worry. Okay, bracket is as well as, and here is the minus symbol. Okay, here is a minus symbol. Then minus 5 minus 2. What is the value? Sir, minus 5 minus 2. That is 5 plus 2 is 7, as well as which is the bigger number, that is 5, and which signs minus, and we can write it here minus 7. You can write it down. Yes, that is simple. 3 will be 3. Then minus is here. Then minus 5 minus 2. If the signs are same, that is minus minus same out, then we can say that we have to add. Then minus 5 minus 2 is equal to minus 7. Okay, why have I taken here minus? Because the larger number symbol is minus. That's why minus 7 is added. It is LHS side and it is RHS side. Thank you, sir. Because here is the border. You can't cross this border because it's a rule, isn't it? Yeah. Very simple problems are there. Just concentrate here. Then 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8, and this minus and 2. So 3 plus 5 is 8, and here is a 2, and that is minus 2. Minus 2 will be then come to RHS side. That is 3 is here. Minus is there. See, in minus here, minus there, as well as rule by rule. Okay, minus into minus. Sir, plus. Okay, this minus into minus plus. Then as equal 7. Okay, then 8 minus 2, 6, isn't it? Then 7 plus 3, that is 10. Whether 6 is equal to 10. No. 6 is not equal to 10. We can say that this a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c for integers. And also we can say that integers are not associated with subtraction. I'll write it here. Pakka, samajh mein aaya? That is, integers are associative under addition, but subtraction. This table is very important. Then third one is this. You have to check for multiplication. Okay. Third one is multiplication. Now easily I will take a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to minus 1. Simple common, one positive integer, one 0, and one is negative integer. That is, rule is a into b, bracket of b into c. It must be equal or not equal. We don't know. That is a into b into c. This is the rule. Just see here. Okay, a b c in the bracket category, a b in bracket category. Okay, then substitute these values here. A is 1 and b is 0 and c is minus 1. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? और एक बार आइए. A value is 1 and b value is 0 and c value is minus 1. Okay, this bracket is closed bracket. Simple. A is 1, b is 0 and c is minus 1. Multiplication symbol is there here. Then come to right hand side, RHS side. That is, a is 1 and b is 0 and c is minus 1. These are the examples I have written for. Then multiply. Then 1 into 0 ones are or 0 into -1. What's our answer? 0. Answer. Any number is multiplied with 0, the answer is 0. For RHS, 1 into 0 that is 0. Into -1 is there, -1 here. Then easily 1 0 to 0, and here 0 into -1 is also 0. Then we can say that LHS side, this one is LHS side, and after crossing this border, this is RHS side. I think that is LHS side is equal to RHS side. Then also we can say that A into B into C is equal to A into B into C for integers, and also we can say that integers associative for multiplication. Integers are associative under multiplication. Simply. Okay. The last one we have to check for division. Last one we have to check for division. What one that is division. A is equal to 8, B is equal to 4, and C is equal to 2. Okay, I will take -4. I will take -4. Just substitute these values in where it is A divided by B divided by C. It must be equal or not equal. Okay, we don't know. It is A divided by B divided by C. In bracket BC got bring Lena. So I will take here for A and B. Okay, substitute these values. A is 8 divided by, and B is -4 and divided by, and C is 2. C. A is 8, B is -4, and C is 2. Simple. Now come to other side, that is A is 8 divided by B is -4. Sorry, then C is 2. Okay, see here. 8 is as usual. Then -4 divided by 2. Minus kangar job. Is it? That is 2 ones are 2 twos are. Which 2? That is -2. Okay, that is -4 divided by 2 is 2 ones are 2 twos are 2. Which 2? That is -2. I write it here -2. Here. Now see. For RHS side, that is 8 divided by -4. 4 ones are which 2? -2. Sir, plus or this or minus. Sir, for integers, this symbol is applied for denominator as well as numerator. Okay? For fractions, fractional numbers, it will be applicable for as well as numerator as well as denominator. Then the answer is -2 here. I'll write -2. Then divided by 2. Okay? Then divided by 2. See here. That is 8 divided by -2 is there. Where? LHS side. Now see, 2 ones are 2 4s are. Then which 4 here? -4. Why, sir? Because this is minus will applicable for as well as numerator as well as denominator. Then the answer is -4 here for LHS side. We don't know about RHS side. That is -2 is here and divided by 2. -2 divided by 2. Then what is the answer? 2 ones are 2 ones are. Which one? -1. Go to -1. Now see whether the RHS side and LHS side are equal. That is -4 is equal to -1. No, sir. That is -4 is not equal to -1. Then the above, that is A by B by C is not equal to A by B by C. For which numbers? For integers. For integers. Then we can say that integers are not associative under division. Okay? Yes, no? Yes, no. That is only integers are associative under addition and multiplication. Okay? And today's homework for you, that is, you have to check that the associative property of natural numbers. Today's homework is, that is, have to check the associative property of natural numbers. And any doubts, you can ask me anytime. Okay, and answer should be sent to my WhatsApp number. Okay. If any doubts, ask me anytime, because we are always with you, my dear students. By this, I will conclude my today's session. Namaste. Thank you.